Yeah. That's how you're going to be when you don't have any donations. Didn't I just show you that I don't get no donations, nigga? It just showed you my Cash App, nigga. I don't get no fucking donations, bro. I just showed y'all. The nigga ain't even put 500 in the motherfucking donations. Nigga, I don't got no donations.
Hey, you want to show them to?
Yeah, let me show him.
Oh,
We was living off of that, we be.
You said what?
We was living off that, we be.
And we was living off donations, man. That'll be some shit. Cosmic currency wouldn't be shit. This is what's in the Cash App, bro. They done shut my PayPal down, bro. So, this was in the Cash App. Bitch, you talking about getting donations. Bitch, you ain't even pay me my $500. This was in the Cash App, bro. What you mean, donations? You think I'm on here for donations? I can make money if I wanted to on here, but I don't, that's not what I stand on. This is what we got in our Cash App, bro. The fuck is y'all talking about? Y'all niggas ain't donating nothing. Oh, if you don't go live, you don't get donations. Bitch, I'm not getting no donations. I'm not doing this for money. The fuck? I'll give y'all niggas the truth. Yeah.
Yes, man. Is everything off the line? Oh, no.
Man, like, that's crazy.
I'm about to go up
Shit.
I think that's the only thing on the line. Okay, Mom. Not that.
No, I'm not the demigod Murdoch. I'm the demigod Eligio. It's on my page. Peace to the gods.